For number 6, we want to write an equation of a line that's parallel to this line and passes through that point. Well, parallel lines have the same slope, so whatever slope of the original line is, that's going to be the slope of our new line. Problem is we don't know what that slope is because it's not in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to write 6x minus 2y equals 7. And we are going to solve for y. So I'm going to move this 6x over. So we get negative 2y is equal to negative 6x plus 7. To get y by itself, we're going to divide by negative 2. And we're going to divide everything by negative 2. So you get y is equal to 3x minus, you can write as negative 3.5 or leave it as negative 7 over 2. It's okay to have a decimal there. So when we write our equation, we're going to again write it in point-slope form. The slope of our original line is 3, so that means the slope of our new line is also going to be 3. Parallel lines have the same slope. And then plug in your point. That's x, this is y. X goes with x, but change the sign. Y goes with y, but change the sign. And there you go. Again, if you want to, write it without all those blanks. You don't have to. There you go. If we take a look at 7, we're going to write an equation of a line using the given criteria. So we take a look at A. We want to write an equation of a line that's perpendicular to the line below and passes through this point. Again, in order to write the equation, we have to know the slope of the original line. Well, to find that, we have to do rise over run. When it's graphed for us, we're going to use rise over run to find the slope. So I like to start at the point on the left. My rise, I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double check that. It's hard to count on my screen, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we went down 8, so that's a negative 8. And then we went right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the slope of that line is negative 8/5. So to find the slope of our new line, we have to find the opposite reciprocal of negative 8/5. So when you find the opposite reciprocal, because perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes, flip the fraction. So 8 over 5 is going to become 5 over 8. Our original slope is negative, so our new slope is going to be positive. So we write our equation. I'm going to write a little bit bigger. You can see it better. The slope goes here in front of the parentheses, and then you plug in the point. Negative 2 goes here, but change the sign. Negative 3 goes here, change the sign. So there's our equation. It's y plus 3 equals 5/8 times x plus 2. For B, we're going to write equation of a line that's parallel to the line below and passes through that point. Well, parallel lines have the same slope, so we just need to find the slope of the line below, and that will be the slope of our new line. So our rise is 1, 2, 3. We went up 3, so it's positive. Our run is 1, 2, 3. We went right 3, so it's positive. And 3 over 3 is 1. So the slope of our original line is 1, so the slope of our new line is going to be 1. So we write our equation. Fill out the skeleton. Our slope goes here. And then fill in your point, x, y. X goes with x, but change the sign. Y goes with y, but change the sign. So your equation should look something like this. And again, you don't have to write the 1 there. You can if you want to. There we go.